Wall Street explodes on tariff pause rumors. What it means for you and Palantir. Markets are going wild. The Dow is up 300+ points, the Nasdaq is flying, and all because of one rumor. Trump might suspend tariffs. But what does this mean for you? And what's Palantir got to do with it? Let's break it down. Hello traders, where a single headline turned everything upside down. White House economic advisor Kevin Hassett just hinted that Trump is considering a 90-day suspension of all tariffs, except those on China. And boom, the markets exploded. The Dow surged over 330 points. The S&P 500 shot up nearly 80 points, and the Nasdaq? Up more than 360 points. Investors are jumping in, expecting a friendlier global trade environment. But here's the emotional kicker. This isn't just about numbers. It's about relief. Relief for tech companies, importers, manufacturers, and maybe, just maybe, your retirement account. Picture this. After months of stress over tariffs jacking up prices, threatening jobs, and spooking investors, suddenly there's light at the end of the tunnel. Now you might be wondering, what does Palantir have to do with any of this? Well, here's the link. When trade policy shifts, government contractors and strategic tech partners like Palantir get activated. Their AI-powered intelligence tools help governments react faster, allocate resources more efficiently, and navigate geopolitical risks. Palantir is already deeply embedded in U.S. defense and logistics. If the U.S. starts adjusting global trade strategy, like reprioritizing supply chains or allocating military support, guess who helps run the simulations and strategy? That's right, Palantir. Tech stocks surged with this news. Nvidia climbed 6.4%, Tesla rose 7.6%, and Palantir jumped 7.2%. And that's before the full story even hits the wire. Investors are betting big that a tariff pause means better earnings, smoother operations, and less friction globally. So tariffs go on pause, markets go on party mode, and I go on Amazon to buy stuff I probably don't need, before prices go back up again. Still, this is a rumor. There's no executive order yet, no policy paper, just one juicy hint. Wall Street's playing the buy the rumor, sell the news game. And you've got to play smart. Here's your move. Keep an eye on Fed policy, Trump's next speech, and Palantir's positioning. Whether it's military logistics, global supply chain AI, or risk analytics, Palantir is becoming indispensable. This might be your moment to act, or just to learn and watch. Markets are unpredictable, but one thing's for sure, the smarter you are, the better you'll navigate the chaos. Subscribe, stay informed, and keep your eyes on what matters. Because in a world driven by AI and geopolitics, information is power.